What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Nikki here, and in today's video we're going to be going over week 8 of the options trader journey. I'm going to show you the trades I took this week. It was a very short week. It is Thanksgiving week, so I only traded Monday and Tuesday this week, but let's go ahead and do a quick recap of what happened to me. You guys, you already know the drill. Let's get it.
Ooh, big bag. You not talking money, you can miss me with the chit chat. I'm not with the rah-rah or the
Real quick, you guys, just one thing. It's currently actually Tuesday, November 23rd right now, and the markets are open tomorrow. I just am not planning on trading. If something is super good, like the setup is super sweet, I might do it, and I will just update you guys in next week's, but I really don't plan on it. That's why I'm making this video kind of early, but that's enough of that. Let's jump straight into the chart and let me show you what happened to me on Monday. All right, you guys, so here's Monday. Now, honestly, this is kind of wild. I mean, look at this push-up we had in the opening, and then it freaking just sold off. And if you were paying attention on this last Monday on the 22nd, you would know we had quite a sell-off. But initially right here off the gate, I'm trading AMD. We had this huge push right at market open when we started to kind of flag in here, pen it in here. I saw this big pullback to that 9 EMA that I always like to do. I got in right here, and then I just waited and waited until this thing got a little bit tighter and we broke here, and I sold at the top of the wick here for a green trade. But as you can see, I left an insane amount on the table. So and even though that's not like horrible, I mean, if I just paid attention to the volume here, I mean, we're growing in volume. We're pushing out of a pattern with high momentum and high volume. So there really was no reason for me to get out here, but I did. And at least I was green. So it is what it is, I guess. Then second trade, I knew I missed this and I didn't want to miss anymore. So I saw this pull back towards the EMA again. I got in at the bottom of this wick. I held through this candle because we were still holding the 9. I saw this flag pattern. I said, okay, hopefully we break it and I'll sell at the top. So we broke it, we pushed out, and I sold at the top of this wick. Again, I did leave a little bit on the table here, but eventually, honestly, not much, because we came crashing back down and down and down and down. All in all, decently happy with this. You can see right here, I was just trying to get in here real quick to hit the $100 for the day, because my Monday P&L put me at almost $110, and that's honestly not bad. I was trying to do this for a very long time and never hit $100 on a trade, and I've had a few $100 days at this point, so feeling pretty good. But let's see what happens to me today, Tuesday the 23rd. I don't actually have a chart to show you where I entered and exited trades, because I have gotten in this habit of just taking a lot of trades. Like, I'm just clicking the button a little bit too much, and I think I need to kind of, reevaluate, rewind, and focus in maybe on one or two quality plays, because right now I'm just like, okay, get in, get out, and it's just kind of like messing with me, and I didn't want to confuse y'all with the charts, and they're looking all weird. But I am going to show you my P&L, and that's going to be right here. And I went ahead, sadly, and I lost $37.73, but you can also see right there that I actually started out the gate down $170.26. So I fought my way back up with a trade on SPY that put me green for that trade, about $133, which brought my overall total to only down about 37-ish bucks, which I will take that. Okay, I will take that. Being down 170 bucks would have absolutely sucked, and that's kind of why I'm in my head like, do I want to trade tomorrow? Do I not want to trade tomorrow? Not sure, because this is currently where I am on the 1 month mark. So the last 4 weeks of trading, if you've been following the journey, you know this is week 8. So this is really my second month, but for this last month, I am up $162.16. Not bad. I mean, it's definitely not great. It's definitely really not great, but we're learning. It's a process, and I'm happy to at least be green. Now, if you guys watched my week 7, you would know that I started a secondary portfolio on Robinhood, and I was about $370 or $350 or something like that, over 150% in that account. But instead of like incorporating that account into these videos, I'm just gonna keep it on this platform. I'm kind of messing around with trade ideas in here. I was up like $350. I went into a trade over the course of like 2 days, and I lost like $250 or $300. So it's not really consistent. I'm doing a lot of trial and error in there, but this platform and this strategy for me on my Webull account is the one I am mainly focused on. It's the one I'm really trying to master, hone in, and get extreme extremely better in. So that's the one I'm going to be talking about mostly on here. But if you are interested in watching the weeks leading up to this one, I will go ahead and link the playlist down in the first comment below. You could check it out, or you guys can watch this right here. You guys already know, if you could smash the thumbs up for your girl, really helps me. If you like making money and having a good ass time, you should consider subscribing by hitting the NB in the bottom corner. And like always, you guys, if you made this far, I love you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.